cleaning up, decluttering, or adding unique furniture, there are many ways to update your home and make it stand out. I'm Stephanie from McCreery's, and I'm going to give you 8 cool ways to make your home the most enviable structure on your block. Have lovely lighting. Chandeliers work really well with dark furnishings and dark frames. Put glass furniture in places that are well lit, specifically if you have a chandelier above it, because they will reflect the bulbs and lighting that you have around it. So for instance, we have a glass coffee table right here. Choose an exceptional rug. Bold rugs like this one can be surprise focal points of your room. But rugs can also unify a room, or if you have a really large room, you can section off different areas of that room with a rug. To prevent pattern overload, you can always add a solid coffee table. Check out this coffee table and ottoman that's all in one. Have a colorful door. If you choose a door color that's red, blue, orange, or yellow, they can have really fun focal points to your house. So if you choose a paint that's high in gloss, that can also be a really fun shimmering focal point. Combine colors. To create excitement, try contrasting colors or pops of color. So if you want to create contrast, you're going to want to go to the color wheel and choose colors that are across from each other. For instance, red and green. Or if you need 3 different contrasting colors, try something like red, yellow, and blue, which you can all see here in this bedspread.
Hey there, my fine furniture family. This is a long list of tips, so stick around for my next video where I'll give you the last 4 tips to complete my 8 design tips to make your home stand out.